Share with Georgia.
It's okay.
Callie.
There's a cute little blue one in your bathroom.
Oh, you don't know how to play.
Come here.
Georgia, can she see it? We'll give you another one. Look, you can get a
Look,
different
Ashley
one.
has one.
Look
Look,
at
Callie,
Ashley.
Georgia's like, what's the big deal?
Ashley has. These are Callie's.
You give it to
little
Callie?
Look at her, how sweet.
Be a good girl.
Look at.
Can you share?
Come
I
here.
thought about it, but
Let me get this on tape.
You want to share?
Oh my God.
You don't want to share? Can you share with Callie?
I'm gonna give her a good
Get those from Ashley. That's the ones that Callie came in with.
Yeah, I can teach them all.
Callie,
Look,
look.
Georgia, Ashley has some more. Callie, look. Callie. Callie.
She says, I already know those are mine. I want the others.
Look, Callie. Be a lady.
See, we're over it. We forgot about it.